So today, I bought this Krispy Kreme donuts at Checkers Langehoven Park for R99.90. I think it's rather expensive for 6, but it's assorted flavors. So I'm going to cut a small piece of every one and taste what it tastes like and tell you afterwards what it tastes like. So this is what it looks like after I've taken it out of a box. So this is what it looks like after I've cut a small piece of every one. But as I always say, to see if it's worth it, let's taste what it tastes like. This is the original, can buy 12 of them also, of this one, of this, for $149.90, which is a bit less expensive, but $99.90 is really expensive. But all in the taste I always say, let's taste what it tastes like. Then this one. That tastes a bit more like cinnamon, but it's very nice. Then the other ones all got chocolate type of things on. Not bad. It's not bad at all. The taste, the donuts is very fresh, to be honest. And then the last one is this one. So let's taste it as well. To be honest, this one is actually the nicest of them all. So I would rather next time buy 12 of them for $149.90 than 6 of the different ones for $99.90. It's really very nice. This one I would rate the 8 out of 10. The others the 7.8. It's really nice, but not that nice, but I really enjoy it. Love you all till next time.